Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your crypto Calm Visa card. First, activate your physical card directly within the crypto Calm app. This simple step links your card to your account. Next, you'll need to fund your card. You can easily top it up using various fiat currencies or supported cryptocurrencies from your wallet. Always ensure you have enough balance for your intended transactions, whether it's for everyday spending or ATM withdrawals. Once funded, your crypto Calm Visa card works like any other Visa card. Use it for online shopping, in-store purchases, and even international transactions wherever Visa is accepted. A key benefit is earning crypto rewards on eligible spending, with the percentage varying by your card tier. You can conveniently monitor all your transactions and accumulated rewards directly through the crypto Calm app, keeping track of your crypto earnings. Your crypto Calm Visa card also allows you to withdraw cash from ATMs globally, wherever Visa is supported. It's important to be mindful of the monthly free ATM withdrawal limits, which depend on your card tier. Exceeding these limits may incur a small fee. Additionally, be aware of potential currency conversion fees if you're withdrawing in a different currency than your card's base currency. Always check the app for current limits and fees. Managing your crypto Calm Visa card is straightforward through the app. You can instantly freeze or unfreeze your card if you misplace it or suspect unauthorized use, providing peace of mind. The app also allows you to view your card details, including the card number and CVV for online purchases. Should you encounter any issues, or if your card is lost or stolen, dedicated customer support is readily available to assist you promptly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.